Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan. Good afternoon, everyone.
Welcome to final announcement, Railway
English Competition,
REON
REON 2023.
First of all, let's say thanks to Almighty God who has given us guidance, happiness, healthy, and mercy, so we can attend and participate in this special event without any obstacle. My name is Lutfi.
And I am myself Dira Rainasari, and we are here as a master ceremony for today's event. We'll guide you until the end of the event.
So, before we jump into the main event, I would like to welcome the Honorable Director of Politeknik Perkeretaapian Indonesia Madiun, Dr. Yono Wiercho,
The Honorable Head of Academic and Administration, Mr. Agus Haryanto,
the Honorable Adjudicators for each branch of the competitions,
the Honorable Steering Committees of the REON 2023,
and our amazing participants from varsity level and high school level.
So, I would read our agendas for today's event, which is divided to 7 parts. Those are: first, opening;
Second, singing national anthem.
third, singing hymne perhubungan;
Fourth, speech from Director of Politeknik Perkeretaapian Indonesia Madiun.
fifth, champions announcement;
Sixth, speech from Head of Academic and Administration.
and the last of the event is closing. And there are our agendas for today's event.
Well, ladies and gentlemen,
Let's begin this event by reciting Basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Alhamdulillah, today we're finally met in the final announcement of REON 2023. And before we started the final announcement, we're from committees of REON 2023 would say thank you so much for your participation of REON 2023. You guys are so amazing and also talented.
Also, I'd say hello to participants in this meeting. I really hope you are in a good condition and a happy situation. And before we jump into the final announcement of REON 2023, let's sing our national anthem of Indonesia and hymne perhubungan. All participants will stand up and sing together.
Mana gampang.
The next agenda is speech. The speech will be delivered by Mr. Yono Wiarjo as Director of Polytechnic Perkeretapian Indonesia Madiun. To Mr. Yono Wiarjo, time is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. All praises are sent to Allah, the Almighty Good, who have given us grace of life and healthy life until this day. First of all, I would like to say thank you for all study committee who have shown their very best to conduct this competition, Railway English Competition REON 2023. I do appreciate your hard work, starting from planning and the activity till today, the final announcement of REON 2023. Then, my greatest gratitude is sent to all adjudicators who have helped us to mark and give feedback as well as comments for all participants joining the competition. It is a pleasure to have you all in this REON 2023. Next, I also want to say thank you for 129 participants from varsity and high school students who have sent their videos and show us their best performance. This competition becomes more interesting and valuable because of your participation. Railway English Competition REON is held the third time this year. It was held first time in 2021 and only open for varsity students in East Java area. The second time in 2022, it was held for our students only due to the COVID-19 pandemic. In 2023, REON is open for larger area around East Java, Central Java, and special region of Yogyakarta, inviting high school and varsity students. I hope that this can motivate students to practice and improve their English competence. We all know that nowadays we are entering society 5.0 era, in which language competence, especially English as international language, is very important to make us keep going with the world. In line with our mission in Indonesian Railway Polytechnic to be an education and training center globally, henceforth, we also have responsibility to encourage students around our area to keep practicing and improving their English sentence. Therefore, this Railway English Competition 2023 is presented by English Club of Indonesian Railway Polytechnic. Ladies and gentlemen, today is the time for winners announcement of all categories: speech, storytelling, and newscasting for high school and varsity level. I congratulate for those who win the competition. Thank you for doing your best. For those who have not won yet, keep practicing and improving. so that your time will also come to you in other days. The best part of competition is that through it we discover what we are capable of and how much more we can actually do than we ever believe possible. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you so much to Mr. Yono Wiarcho for the speech. Ladies and gentlemen, finally we've reached to our main event, that is final announcement of REON 2023.
Okay, without any further ado, first for speech competition, the champions will be announced by Miss Ainun Fikrian. To Miss Ainun, time is yours.
Well, thank you, all the mistress of ceremony. Am I audible, ladies and gentlemen?
Yes, Miss.
Good job, thank you. Well, everyone, thank you for having me to announce the speech competition for high school category. And next we'll have the speech competition, also the result for the varsities category. So I'd like to show you the speech competition that for high school category for the first place is going to. Next, please. This is the first winner of Ayasha Kaila Wahyudi. So from SMA Negeri 1 Ponorogo as the first winner of the speech competition. I congratulate you, Ayasha. And the next, for the second winner goes to Davina Carla Julian from SMA Negeri 2 Mojokerto. Congratulations for you, Davina. And the third would be going to Agdi Prasta Syahrun Nurul Nita from SMK Telkom Purwokerto as a third winner of the competitions. Congratulations for you, Agnia. And then we have another winner. As a favorite winner, we have Salsa Bila Ika Putri from SMA Negeri 1 Magelang. So we got 3,125 likes to our platform today. So congratulations for Salsa Bila, you did a great job as a favorite winner. The next was, okay, that's the last for the high school category. So congratulations for all of you. So keep up a good work. The next is a speech competitions for varsity category. The first winner will be going to Muhammad Ikal Suryana from Polytechnic Pelayaran Surabaya as the first winner. Congratulations for you, Ikal. And the second winner would be, the runner-up would be Goklas Hendra Utol Seja from PKTJ Tegal. We congratulate you, Goklas. You did a great job. And then the third, going to Haikal Ramadan Rustandi from Akademi Angkatan Laut as the third winner of this REON. Congratulations for you, Haikal and others. And we have the favorite winner. That going to, yes, Zulfana Izzatinisa from YIN Kudus as a favorite winner. She earns 615 likes in Instagram, and so we congratulate you all. For everyone who would like to have a POI or just a sessions to know why all those winner has chosen, you may contact the REON committee. So we're really grateful to have you, and we will allow you to have a confirmations. Thank you so much. Have a nice day, and I do really congratulate you all. Good luck, and you did a great job all. Thank you. Well, thank you, Mistress of Ceremony. I give it back to you. Thanks.
Thank you so much to Miss Ainun.
A
And
pleasure.
congratulations to all winners. You guys deserve to be a champion. And okay, let's move on to the next announcement. Next announcement for newscasting competition will be announced by Miss Armita. To Miss Armita, time is yours.
Yeah.
Yes, Miss.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone.
Good
Good
afternoon, Miss.
afternoon. Okay, so today we're going to announce the winner in newscasting, right? Okay, so the newscasting competition for high school category, there are three candidates who is being the first, the second, also the third winner. Okay, so let's move. Let's see who is the winner. Okay, congratulations for the first winner, Kencono from SMKN 1 Purworejo. Is he here right now? Okay. Kencono, are you here with us?
Yes, Miss. I'm here.
Okay, congratulations. Very great performance of you. So you
Yeah.
are being as the first winner in this competition for high school. Okay, congratulations, Kencono. And then the second winner, okay, I think he has such kind of celebration right there, right? Okay, so the second winner, let's see who is it. Yes, she is Marsha Anis Yumna from SMA N3 Yogyakarta as the second winner of Newscast for High School. Congratulations. Where is Marsha? Are you here, Marsha?
Thank you,
Okay,
Miss.
congratulations. Good job. Okay, so you also you can have a celebration also with your friends. Okay, and the next, let's see who is the third winner for newscasting for high school. Okay, let's take a look. Who is the winner? Congratulations for Jordan Angka Wijaya from SMK Telkom Purwokerto as the third winner for newscasting. Okay, Jordan, are you here, Jordan?
Yes.
Oh.
Hello. I'm here.
Okay, congratulations for you. Very good presentation.
Thank
Okay,
you
so
so
this-
much.
Yeah, my very pleasure. Okay, you can also have celebration with your friends right now. If you have your friends around you, of course. Okay, so here are the three winners for newscasting for high school. And then, so let's move on for, this is the favorite winner, yeah. For Anissa Camelia Hakim from SMK Muhammadiyah 3 Yogyakarta as favorite winner. Okay, she has 5,052 likes on Instagram. This is very great. So congratulations for you. Is there Anissa who is joined with us right now? Wah, Anissa ini kayaknya mengerahkan semua temannya juga ya untuk like the videos. But congratulations again for Anissa Camelia Hakim. Okay, so let's move for the next winner. Newscasting competition for varsity category. Okay, do you feel very interesting right now? Okay, let's take a look. Who is the winner for newscasting competition? Okay. Congratulations for Nila Maharani from EIN Kudus as the first winner of newscasting for varsity, ya. Okay, where is Nila Maharani? Are you here, Nila? Wah, ini nanti hadiahnya ini. Nilam, are you here, Nilam? Okay. Yeah. Okay, I think she's not here. Okay, so let's move to the next winner. The second winner, congratulations for Emmanuel Yosef Prasetyo from Polytechnic ILPP Yogyakarta as the second winner. Okay, so next, the third winner. Okay, congratulations for Karmin Akbar Ishai Ruoko, yeah, correct me if I'm wrong how to pronounce this one, from Akademi Angkatan Laut as the third winner. Okay, congratulations for three of you. Okay, and then the next for congratulations for Nesi Natasha Christy from Polytechnic Pelayaran Surabaya as favorite winner. Okay, she got 533 likes here. Okay, congratulations to all of you for newscastings. Even this is from high school and also from varsity. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much to Miss Armita and congratulations to all storytelling winners. You guys are amazing and also talented, and you guys deserve to be a winner of this competition. And finally, the last final announcement for today is storytelling competition. Will be announced by Miss Priska. To Miss Priska, time is yours.
After everybody, now it will be the time for me to announce the storytelling winners for high school and varsity level. I will start with the high school category. There will be winners that is based on educators score, and also one winner as favorite winner based on Instagram likes. Okay, let's move on to the first category, high school. Yeah, this is the first winner of high school category, Ilham Yusuf Maulana from SMKN 1 Purworejo. Yay, congratulations, Ilham. Where is Ilham Yusuf? Are you here? Yeah, I saw you there. This is a very great performance, and I really enjoy your performance during your video competition. And then the second winner will come to Shaila Putri Azahra from SMAN 1 Ponorogo. Congratulations. Where is Shaila? Are you here?
Hi, I'm here. Thank you. Thank you for the opportunity. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, Shaila.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Okay, now let's go to the third winner of storytelling competition for high school category. And then the third winner, it comes to Naila Putri Briana from SMK Telkom Purwokerto. Yeah, congratulations. Naila, are you here?
Yes. Thank you, Miss.
Congratulations, Naila. And then the last winner for storytelling high school level is about the favorite winner. It has come to Setia Budi from SMAN Jateng Purbolinggo as the favorite winner with 856 likes on Instagram. Setia Budi, are you here?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, I am. Thank you very much.
Yeah, congratulations, Setia Budi. You are the favorite winner of the storytelling competition for high school levels. Okay, next. The storytelling competition for the varsity category. In this competition for the storytelling competition for varsity category, actually the adjudicators really hard to find the winners, to find the champions, because the range of the score is very, very hard to be decided. But finally, of course, the adjudicator should find the winners. Okay, the first winner comes to Novi from Indonesian Railway Polytechnic from PPI Madiun as the first winner. Congratulations, Novi. Yeah. And then ini kayaknya pendukungnya banyak sekali di belakangnya Novi karena sedikit
Yes,
ramai.
Miss.
Congratulations, Novi. And then second winner comes
Thank
to
you, Miss.
Mohawan Hamid Al-Harizi from IAIN Ponorogo as the second winner. Congratulations.
Thank you, Miss.
Oh yeah,
Yes,
Muhammad
I am.
Alwan is here. Congratulations, Alwan. And then the last winner, the third winner comes to Aulia Anggita Putri Selendra from PBI Madiun as the third winner. Congratulations, Aulia. Are you here? Iya, Aulia? Ya, Aulia tampaknya belum join. Yeah. And then the last winner for this competition is about the favorite winner for storytelling competition comes to Naufal Haris Nasrullah from Akademi Angkatan Laut as the favorite winner with 112 likes. Congratulations, Naufal. Okay, that's all for the storytelling competition for high school and varsity level. Congratulations for all winners. All of you are very great for joining this competition.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, I come back the time for the two master of ceremony.
Thank you so much to Ms. Priska, and also congratulations to all newscasting, to all storytelling winners. Sorry, once again, you guys are amazing and also talented. And okay, finally, all the champions already announced. Once again, congratulations for you guys. And we moved on to the next agenda. That is the speech that will be delivered by Mr. Agus Haryanto. To Mr. Agus Haryanto, time is yours.
Okay, thank you, Miss MC. Congratulations for all the winner. I would like to say Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Happy nice day, good evening for everyone. Thank you for Allah for their gratitude. And I would like to express my gratitude to all the organizing committee who already successfully carried out this competition, and also congratulations for all the winner. I know this event provided the opportunity to compete so our talent and ability, and I'm confident its participant has worked hard to prepare on themselves in the best way performance. I'm also thank you for all the 129 participants. Is that right? I hope this keep you motivated or the inspiration to the next competition. You will win. All the participants will not win in today. And also, thank you, very thank you for all the educator and the member of in English Club REON, and also the committee who already arranged of this competition. Also thank you. This event is really successful. Maybe for your information, this the REON competition, REON English competition in PBI Madiun is actually established in 2017. It has been established in 2017, but for your information, this year is the first time this English competition participate or engaging for the out of the PBI Madiun. So this is engaged for the high school and varsity in around Middle Java, East Java, and also Yogyakarta. This is the first time this year, and I hope from the success story from this event, I hope In the future, this event will be more successfully and followed by a lot of participants. So for those who have had English club, let's cooperate it or having activity collaboration. Competition make us faster, but collaboration make us better. So I'm close this event officially. See you next year and in the best way. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you so much for speech, Mr. Agus Arianto. And finally, we have reached the end of the event of the final announcement REON 2023. For all participants, thank you and congratulations. Don't be sad if you are not be a winner, because actually you guys are so talented.
And I really hope you guys always improve your talent and never give up in every situation. And I have an information for you guys. Score recapitulation will be posted in Instagram account of English Club PPI Madiun. And for all winners, can contact our contact person via WhatsApp and send your bank account or send the gift. I am Lutfi Fadila Firdaus.
And I am myself.
Thank you so much for joining the REON 2023. Thank you.
And goodbye.
See you on the REON 2024. Bye.